All right, now this is the Sigma 1.4 35mm. I just got the Sigma lens.
Okay, this is my new Nikon Z6, and I'm gonna bring it up here.
Okay, now what's the problem with it?
I'm gonna replace the original hood. And
Why?
Well, I need a little more, to block more light, to make it more.
Because of your glasses?
My glasses.
Your glasses.
And so I gotta take this original off. I want to keep it. Keeping it, don't throw it away. I always want to keep the old stuff.
Okay. What is all that lumpy stuff on that screen?
This stuff?
The screen protector.
That's my screen protector. It kind of didn't.
Okay, pull the screen out.
Like this?
Yeah. Oh, isn't that nice?
Look at the lumps on there.
Okay,
like
you can put it back and just, okay, back to the
Looks
other.
like a frickin' orange, man.
That's the
I can
special
glue it
effect.
down.
No.
To
Okay.
protect it, so it looks like crap. This is from Hoodman. This is the HoodEYE, they call it, the HoodEYE for Z cameras, Nikon Z cameras. Right there. So I'm gonna open it up. All right, this is the original, and this is the newer one. This is the iHood, and you can see the difference in how much you're gonna get. Well, light blocking ability. When you put your glasses on, it's gonna work better. So it's gonna fit right in there.
Try to get
To me, it'd be better. I don't know. So I've spun the camera around so I can. It's upside down now, so I can work on it easier. So you can see the things for the sockets. Okay. So I'm gonna. This part here is part of the camera. It's part of the eyepiece. You don't want to pull on that. That's a solid piece.
Repeat it
These
again.
are the rails over here. That's part of the camera. And these are the rails. So when you push it off, you don't want to pull on that, or you're not going to go anywhere. You want to pull on just the rail. Oh God, there it goes. Just pulling on the rail so I can pull it off, and there it goes.
Okay. Right.
Okay, gonna get right on that rail. Try to get it in there. There it goes. Gets right on that rail, and that's part of the original part of that.
All right. What a well. Look at that. It works perfectly.
And unfortunately, that iHood, as people would know, is that now you can't. Oh, damn! You can't get your cap off to put on a microphone or a strobe. You can't get it off. You'd have to pull it off again. It's gonna take you a while to get that off. You have to get it off quick. It's gonna be hard, confusing. So we have to remodify the iHood. We must remodify.
Slight modification.
Slight modification. Okay, so I'm gonna take the iHood off. So I don't want to mar the camera. I don't want to. So I'm gonna pull it off again. And it should come off fairly easy. Okay, put it on like a normal.
So you're going to modify it slightly.
Slightly modified, yes.
Which tool are you going to use?
Well, which tool was I going to use? Shall I use this tool? Nah, it's a little bit too much power. Should I use this tool?
Nah.
I don't think I will. Why do you think that this tool might be appropriate or too much power? This might be a little bit more for maybe jacking some wood, breaking some logs. This won't do it. No, this is too much. Not required. I use this tool? Do you think it's proper? The wood rasp. This is too big and too coarse. So I wouldn't use this if you want to destroy it. You can put this on your knee, or you can hold it as long as you got it steady, just so you won't cut your rubber with the. This is a pretty fine file. God, I wish I knew what size. It's like a fine.
Okay, keep going.
A fine file, and you would cut just the top off. This is It has Hoodman in the back. You want to probably just get right down. You want to take it, you file it, like you take it off that way. And just file it really
To the
slow.
Hoodman. Okay.
The top, take the top off. Whoop. So what I'm doing, you just want to file it flat. Just follow the natural contour they put in there. It's a flat top. You don't want to cut the rubber, just the plastic. And this top plastic is solid. The channels are on the side. You don't have to worry about it. See, it's already cutting.
Yeah, it doesn't take much.
You have to cut it below, just a little bit below the Hoodman. It says it had the words are on the back of it.
What? Where?
You don't want to nick the rubber eyepiece. You probably could pull it off. I don't know. I don't want to try it. I want to rip it. So I'm gonna just.
Is that good enough?
No, it's gonna take a while to get that thing.
How long does it take?
Until it works. Yeah, I was trying to see. Usually I file it down to it. It's just below Hoodman. It just started disappears. There's writing in the back of it. That's how you sort of get rid of their name, and then it works. Okay, I'm gonna.
That's the fine file.
No, this is coarse, medium. It's the other. Really, it's fine too, but it cuts better.
You just use this file, and that's it.
This will work. Yeah, to go that way. And to take off that side, then you probably have to switch it to make sure you get it off both. This is a 3-sided file there.
So,
you just want to make sure it's even on both sides.
it takes like 10 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
You don't need a vise. You can just do it in your whatever.
You can see it's cutting really well.
Yeah.
Plastic, it just carves it out.
Okay.
I can finish it off here and then try it. This is the fine one. It only has 2 sides. One side's ground off. And this will make it nice shiny plastic if you want that look, or matte. So it looks like it's right from the factory. Yours is probably a little bit, this one's a little bit closer, but that's better yet. I'm just trying to square it up.
That's
here.
good enough. Don't wreck it. Don't make a mistake.
This is the fine. The other way was fast. This anyway would work. It's just faster. I can still read Hoodman, but it's right on top of the line. You want to see what it looks like? Hoodman is right on. It's just the edge.
Yeah, that's okay. You can still read it.
Yeah. Well, that's what you have to do because that's all they had to do to get their thing to work. All right,
Now,
be on there. Let me back this off. Comes off. Hey, if you want it to go on a little bit quicker, you can file it. You have to bend it up a bit, or you could take more off it. That's pretty good.
okay, pull it off.
You just gotta be fast. Okay. It's in.
Tighten it down. Okay, bend it down.
I gotta turn the camera on though. All you have to do is focus your lens and take the picture. Isn't that, it just matches that?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. Tighten it. So you stick our microphone over there. Maybe this way. Just to keep it from vibrating. Oh yeah, like that. Or you want to keep it away from.
Where do you plug it into?
Okay. You just have to get around the all the stuff you're using, or you're gonna because you don't want that wire to rattle or get in the way when you're moving it. So that would probably be okay like that.
Okay.
You can move this, move that. You can put your strobe in here if you want it.
And that thing helps with your glasses, though.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it really helps, huh? Okay.
Or you could probably put the microphone in there. Probably this is bringing it up far enough, but you might have the wire in your
All
eye.
right, hold on.
Make sure the bar doesn't twist or anything. It's on there.
Now let's see if it works that way. Now, how do you know if it's not going to blow up the microphone? We'll find out. Try it.
The microphone isn't attached to the hot shoe. It's just sitting on it. All right, but you're going to hear it.
What?
That's okay.
Look at that. We get
What was that noise?
still flash photography, and we have stereo 4K sound for video.
That's right. Looks good.
Isn't that impressive? And it clears.
Hold it, don't move. Oh, perfect, perfect.
Oh, yeah. Wait, there's someone waving on Jupiter. You got to get him. Oh, yeah. Wave to him. Wave to him.
That's the ET. Hello. Hello up there in Jupiter.
Okay, another successful modification project.
Well, I can see the sign for the stinking strobe. It's right there. It's got a lightning bolt.
Yeah.
The other one never had that.
Well, it's communicating. Okay, stuff for this project. All right. Pack it up.
Power off.
Yeah, power off everything.
Okay, see
Oh,
this?
that strobe really works too. Let me get a shot like this. All right, now this is the Sigma 1.4 35mm. I just got the Sigma lens.
Pull it off.
Okay, let me turn off the autofocus.